Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, April 12th, 2016. Take a look at this stock, folks. This is one I want to give you a heads up on. It looks like it's borderline beginning to move back to the upside. I expect a move north of $40 on the next move. We're talking about a VRX, Valiant Pharma. Obviously, we know all the drama that's been going on with this, but I called it perfectly last time. It had a monstrous move to the upside off of my alert, around $27 per share. So just a huge move up here, went as high as $38 before. Look at this beautiful consolidation. I mean, this is what you look for, folks. You look for the sharp up move after it's been declining for a long time, which it was, and then you look for the steady pullback here. Look at how the pullback is steady, and then we gapped down today and then reversed into the moving averages, consolidated, and are now beginning to perk up again. Stock is up today as well. And again, this is exactly what you're looking for. If I go to the daily chart, let's take a look here at the daily. Flipping over to the daily, let me bring up the chart. There we go. This is what I love. I mean, this is the dream chart, right? So you had the pivot low here. You retrace down over here. Look at all the volume, which was all accumulation volume right in here. So there was institutional buying, tons of buying, plus our members here in InTheMoneyStocks.com were buying down here. Then we had the big pop into the 20. We sold, waited patiently. Look at how the consolidation is following that 20 moving average. Now the next move up, in my opinion, goes north of 40. Eventually, by the way, I think this stock goes all the way back to this gap window at 54, and I actually think it goes even higher. I think you're going to see it go back eventually to about $70. But this pattern is what you should be focusing on. That is such an unbelievably sweet chart setup. I cannot stress that enough, folks. I cannot stress that enough. So again, look for VRX to be a buy signal here. Buy, and again, look for this to head continued upside action here. Again, eventually taking out the $40 level. That would be your short-term first target, $40 P. Before I step off here, folks, I want to show you the track record of the Research Center. This is where I gave the last VRX trade out live. I want you guys to see it. Go here under Investor Trade Alerts right there. Click on it. Okay. All right. Click on that and go here. Here's your Research Center page. There's a 7-day free trial. At the bottom, you have a track record button right here. Click on that and look at this, guys. Over 300% return for 2016 thus far. Here's the latest VRX trade. Bought it at $26.95, out at 32 and change. It even went higher than that, but I took 20% in a matter of literally a few days. Now we're getting back into it, guys, and I do believe it has a lot of upside potential now. So again, you can see every trade we've taken and closed out in 2016 thus far. There are some losers, but again, anyone who tells you they don't have losers is lying to you. Everyone has losing trades. And ultimately, this is 2016. You can go back as many years as you want to look at what we trade and what our track record is. And again, here's your net gain. As I always say, the net gain is if you put all your money in every position. But generally, I would hope no one does that, right? That's a little high risk. Instead, be very conservative. If you're super conservative and you put 10% of your portfolio in each position, you're still up over 30% on the year. That's basically in 3 months, you're up 30%. You're on pace to do over 100% a year being conservative. That should freak you the hell out. That is crazy, folks. That is awesome. And again, here it is, the track record in front of you, third-party verified. And again, every trade, every entry, long or short, date we entered, price we entered, exit price, exit date, percentage gain, and so forth. Crazy stuff. All right, come join us. Remember, folks, right here under Investor Trade Alerts, click on the Research Center. Brings up a page. You can take the 7-day free trial right there. Take care.